sit and purr. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? How much my band's out, how big my drum. And if I fanned out your turn at bat, sir, at least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. Guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta try once, I gotta fly once, only can die once. You're right, sir. Life is juicy, and you see I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I've simply gotta march my heart to drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam! Hey, Mr. I didn't fake it, hat, sir. Guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I've simply gotta march my heart to drum. And no, no, babe, nobody is gonna rain on my enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. This song takes so much out of you, and I love it so much, and I put my whole soul into it, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I had to do it like 5 times because I had microphone problems, and I'm rambling at this point, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys!